Another information pill. Did you know that many people use pay rent apps to withdraw cash from their credit cards without actually paying any rent? Sounds clever, right? But there's a catch. This shortcut could have serious long-term effects on your finances and even your PAN record. Today, we'll break down how this works, who's doing it, and what it really means for your future. So, let's get started. How often people use this service? Many users have discovered that apps like CRED, Paytm, NoBroker, or Housing.com allow rent payments through a credit card. But here's the trick. Instead of paying rent, some people send the money to their family member's account and withdraw it as cash indirectly. This method is becoming popular, especially among young professionals facing short-term cash shortages. Reports show that millions of rent transactions happen every month, and nearly 20 to 30% are suspected to be self-payments, users paying rent to their own accounts or relatives to get easy cash via credit cards. How does the system work? When you use a pay rent app, you enter the recipient's bank details, usually the landlord's name, account number, and IFSC code. The app charges a 1 to 2% processing fee and processes this as a rent transaction. If the receiver is your relative or even yourself, via another account, you're essentially converting credit into cash. On the surface, it looks like just another rent transfer, but banks and the government systems record it differently. Impact on the future asterisk. Here's where it gets serious. Every rent transaction involves your PAN number and can reflect in your credit and tax history. Frequent rent payments to the same person, especially without a rental agreement, could raise red flags during financial scrutiny. The IT department tracks large or repeated transfers made using a credit card as rental payments because they suspect money circulation or temporary credit misuse. In the long run, your PAN could get flagged for suspicious activity. Your credit score might drop if banks detect misuse. During loan approval, your spending patterns could be questioned. Some apps may even block users once they find fraudulent rent transfers. Smarter and safer alternatives asterisk. If you're facing a short-term cash crunch, instead of fake rent payments, consider a personal loan or credit line from your card provider. Interest may be lower than rent withdrawal fees. Using BNPL, buy now, pay later, services for specific expenses. Planning emergency funds for future needs. Credit cards are great tools when used the right way, but turning them into a cash source through loopholes could backfire. So next time you think about paying rent, just to withdraw credit card cash, think twice. It might look like a quick fix now, but it can cost you big later. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with someone who uses these apps regularly. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips and money awareness videos.